Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Printify product catalog and shipping rules, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Printify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Catalog tab located on the left sidebar. In the Catalog section, click on the Add Product button to begin creating your first item. You will be prompted to select a product type from the available categories. After selecting a product type, browse the designs or upload your own by clicking on the Upload button. Once you've chosen or uploaded a design, adjust the placement on the product using the design editor. Be sure to preview the product to see how it looks before finalizing your choice. Next, set your pricing by entering the retail price for your product. Remember to account for production costs and desired profit margins when setting your price. After pricing, fill out the necessary product details including title and description. Utilize relevant keywords in your description to enhance searchability. Once all product details are filled, click on the Save button to add the product to your catalog. Now, let's move on to setting up shipping rules. Navigate to the Settings option on the left sidebar and select Shipping. In the shipping settings, you'll see options for creating different shipping. Click on the Add New Shipping Profile button to create a new profile for your products. Name the shipping profile to reflect the products it will cover. Define the shipping regions by selecting the countries or areas you want to ship to. After that, set your shipping rates by determining if they will be flat rates, variable rates, or calculated by weight. If you opt for calculated rates, ensure you integrate with a shipping service to obtain real-time pricing. Review your shipping rules and make adjustments to accommodate different types of products. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to finalize your shipping settings. To ensure everything works smoothly, run a test by placing a sample order. This will help verify that your product catalog and shipping rules function correctly together. After the test order is successful, your Printify product catalog and shipping rules will be ready for customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.